प्रकार kinetic gas equation. Most important one, kinetic gas equation. Repeat. ये में kinetic gas equation प्रकार PV is equal to 1 by m PMO pressure, PMO volume, MMO mass of one gas molecule, NMO number of moles of gas, where U is volume speed. And now here the thing is, we are ready to get use gas laws from kinetic gas equation. This is the most important aspect. Deduction of gas laws from kinetic gas equation. Very important. Both in IPA and objective point of view. In IPA we are expected every year 4 marks question from this particular topic, deduction of gas laws. We have 5 gas laws, of course. Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law, Graham's law, and finally Dalton's law. So by using kinetic gas equation, we are ready to prove each and every gas, yes, it is correct, like that. Okay, now means we are ready to prove each and every gas law by using what, man? Kinetic gas equation. That is our topic today. And for that purpose, we are ready to choose what it is, Boyle's law. Okay. What is the basic statement of Boyle's law? The pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume if you are maintaining constant temperature. So, to prove Boyle's law, it is enough to show that PV is equal to constant at constant temperature. Constant temperature దగ్గరన PV is equal to constant అని చెప్పి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే చాలరాడన్న బాయిల్స్ లా ని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసినట్టు. And here students, for this purpose we choose kinetic gas equation, which is actually PV is equal to 1 by 3rd mn u square. Students, just multiplied and divided with 2 here. This is 2 by 3 and this is 1 by 2 mn u square. Multiplied and divided with 2. If 2 cancel, we get the same equation. Say so. Okay. And students, we know one thing. This is PV and this is 2 by 3 and this is of m is mass of one gas molecule. N is total number of moles of gas. If you multiply these two terms, we get capital M here. Is it fair? So what is capital M, sir? The product of M and N, which result nothing but the total mass of gas. Is that equal? We just look at this is capital M, which is your mass term, and square of U, which is a speed term. Simply of mv square like that. If it is of mv square, which represents what, man? That is nothing but kinetic energy. Keep in mind. Say so. But we know the last postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gases. I remember that postulate. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Say so. If we remove proportionality term here by using a constant k, k is constant. Could you please substitute here? PV is equal to 2 by 3 into some constant into T. 2 by 3 constant, k constant, temperature we already considered as constant. Constant into constant into constant, not constant q. Once again, this is a new constant. So finally, what we write here, PV is equal to constant at constant temperature. Am I right, guys? Hence, Boyle's law is proved. Is it fair now? Okay, now good. And next, students, now let me come into second law. What it is our second law? Charles law. Would you please state Charles law once again? At constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So V is directly proportional to T. So it is enough to prove V by T is equal to constant at constant pressure. So constant pressure దగ్గరన V by T ని మనం కాన్స్టెంట్ అని చెప్పే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. And students, for this purpose, once again we choose kinetic gas equation. What is kinetic gas equation, sir? PV is equal to 1 by 3rd mnu square. And once again multiplied divided with 2. 2 by 3, 1 by 2 mnu square. And once again this is 2 by 3 into of capital mu square. Same process, man. Same process. Okay now. And PV is equal to 2 by 3 into kinetic energy. And here this is PV, man. 2 by 3 into some K into T. Same process, man. Girls, are you got it? Okay. But now I am ready to prove here not PV is equal to constant. I am here to prove V by T is constant. Say sir. So temperature ni పక్కన తీసుకొచ్చే ప్రయత్నంలో V by T is equal to 2 by 3 into K by P. 2 by 3 constant, K constant, P constant, constant by constant, cancel one. Oh my. Okay now. So this is ultimately a new constant. So V by T is equal to constant if you are maintaining constant pressure. Hence Charlotte's law is. Girls, are you got it? Please make a quick note. Nana, write fast. Very important one. Now, okay now? Okay now? Now, let us start. Third one. What it is, Nana? Graham's. Okay, now let me complete Graham's law and then we are talking about your left. Okay, Graham's law most important. Bangaram, please once again state what is Graham's law. I think at constant pressure and temperature, the rate of diffusion of a gas. Bangaram, the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to square root of its density. So we are ready to prove that's it. Okay. So by using once again kinetic gas equation, which is PV is equal to 1 by 3rd mn to square. Bangaram, what you got it? Okay. And students, now let me come into one thing here. This is PV, okay. This is 1 by 3rd, okay. Instead of m into n, I am substitute capital M. What is capital M, sir? The total mass of gas. You know already very well. Okay. And students, here just look at what is u square, sir. 3d పక్కన తీసుకొద్దాం రా బంగారం. 3pd by capital A. ఓకే, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక వెళ్ళిపోతారు రా బంగారం పిల్లలు. ఎగ్జామ్లో ఏం చేయాలో తెలియదు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి డెన్సిటీ టర్మ్ కనబడతా స్టిక్ కదా. ఓకేనా, ఇది చాలా కీ స్టెప్ ఇక్కడ ఈ గ్రామ్స్లోని మనం రాయడం. ఇప్పుడు మనం చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే బంగారం, ఆ పైన వాల్యూమ్ టర్మ్ ఉంది చూసావా, దాన్ని ఎవరికి చెప్పకుండా ఈ కింద మాస్ చెప్పలేదు. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఈస్ మాస్ బై వాల్యూమ్. అండ్ హియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ u square which is simply 3p by d, because what is density? So density is nothing but mass by 1. బంగారం, just look at that one. స్క్వేర్ ని మనం ఆ పక్కకి తీసుకుని వెళ్ళే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే 3p by d. Here the thing is square root, of course constant, 3 constant, pressure we already considered as constant. Then what about u, sir? And absolutely u is directly proportional to 1 by root d if you are maintaining constant pressure. Am I right, guys? But my intention is not to prove u is directly proportional to 1 by root d or is directly proportional to 1 by root d. Say sir. Now here at this junction, what is the relation we are expected between rate of diffusion or and the speed of gas? Interesting one. More speed of gas, more rate of diffusion. Are you agree with me? Are you remember low molecular weight gases are diffuse fast? Okay, compared with the high molecular weight gases. Sir, why low molecular weight gases diffuse fast, sir? Because low molecular weight gases diffuse with the high speed. Because they are somewhat what we call slim, no? Okay. And why we coming to high molecular weight gases? Being bulky, obviously their speed is very very low. So a simple relation we are expected between rate of diffusion and speed of a gas. I think both are directly related. Are you agree with me? More speed, more rate of diffusion. Then why not, students, instead of u we are ready to substitute r. So finally r is directly proportional to 1 by root d if you are maintaining constant pressure and as well as temperature. Hence Graham's law is okay na? Please. Bagaram. Now let me come into the fourth one, Dalton's law of partial pressures. Are you remember Dalton's law of partial pressures, girls? Let us consider a gaseous vessel in which two gases A, B are there at a given conditions, means at a constant volume and temperature. But the necessary condition while we are applying Dalton's law is these two gases are obviously non-reacting ones. Say sir, no? ఒకదాంతో ఒకటి రియాక్ట్ అయితే కనుక మనం డాల్టన్స్ లాని అప్లై చేయకూడదు. సో ఖచ్చితంగా నాన్ రియాక్టింగ్ గ్యాసెస్ అవ్వాలండి. సో if we choose a non-reacting gases present in a mixture at a given volume and temperature, then what is Dalton's law, sir? The total pressure exerted by a gas mixture is the algebraic sum of individual partial pressures of gases which are present in the vessel. Say sir, no? We are ready to prove this one. Okay, now by choosing once again what it is, kinetic gas efficient. So which is we already know PV is equal to 1 by 3rd mnu square. So dear ones, for gas A Dear ones, for gas A, we are ready to write the kinetic gas equation. Maybe its pressure differ PA, but volume is constant. Says or no? Another is equal to 1 by third. Maybe it's a mass differ. Maybe it's a number of moles differ. Maybe it's a speed differ. Okay, Nana. Then ultimately, what is partial pressure of A, sir? Absolutely 1 by third MA NA UA square by what, Nana? Say this is equation 1. And in a similar manner, we choose gas B here for gas B. Similarly, PB into V is equal to 1 by third MB NB UB square. So what is partial pressure of B, sir? This is 1 by third MB NB UB square by V. Say this is equation 2. Students, now while we applying kinetic gas equation now for entire gaseous mixture. Okay na, ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం gaseous mixture కి అప్లై చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. అది రెడీనా? ఓకే నా, ఎంటైర్ gaseous mixture కి అప్లై చేస్తాం అనుకున్నానా. For a gaseous mixture, total pressure says no. Volume still V na, not V plus V, 2V, stupid chemistry that is, okay. And P total into V is equal to, for gas A, 1 by third MA NA UA square, and for gas B 1 by third MB NB UB square. That's it. Now what about P total, sir? Volume term na pakkani తీసుకెళ్దాం బంగారం. 1 by third MA NA UA square by V plus 1 by third MB NB UB square by V. Have you got it? Garam says that? Okay, thank you. Now just look at 1 by third MA NA UA square by V. There it is. Here it is. Okay, now which represent partial pressure of A. And where is 1 by third MB NB UB square, sir? Here it is. And this is PB. Then absolutely, what is P total, sir? PA plus PB. If you are mentioning constant volume and temperature, hence Dalton's law is proved. Girls, are you got it? Okay. And then I am coming to the last one. Girls, what it is? Avogadro's law. चलो पापा ने युक्त है Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. अना दूसरा है. तो कौन सा सुनना है? ये तो पापा ने कैसे नहीं दिया? कौन सा है? But now let me come into Avogadro's law. I remember statement at constant pressure and temperature equal volume of all gases contains equal number of moles. Now moles are molecules, whatever it is. Moles are molecules. But not atoms, keep in mind, because atoms depends on what gas we consider, whether it is monoatomic or diatomic or triatomic. Atoms differ avachchu no, kani moles same aithe matram molecules kuda same na. Deni prove cheyalra bangaram ippudu manam sarena. We choose kinetic gas equation bangaram. What it is? PV is equal to 1 by third mnu square. For this purpose bangaram, I choose two gases here. The one is gas A. Bangaram, what is the one? What an answer. This is an answer. Bangaram, what an answer. Confused है यार. Okay, wait. First gas is A man. What about second one? Right, is right. As Pandit P kada man kavali. Okay, mare. Easy na. Get easy. Okay. Okay. Girls, we choose one condition here. These two gases are having equal volume. Same volume. Now to prove Avogadro's law, it is enough to show, Na is equal to Nb. That's fine. అంటే ఈక్వల్ వాల్యూమ్ అనుకున్నాను కాబట్టి నేను నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ని కూడా ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ A is equal to నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ B. Are you ready, Bangaram? Thank you. So for gas A, for gas A, we are ready to write kinetic gas equation. So kinetic gas equation right now. Okay, na? Sir, PA, no, Nana, pressure is constant. Okay. Sir, it is VA, no, because we consider equal one. So ultimately P into A. What about the rest of terms, sir? 1/3 MA NA UA square. Say this equation 1. And in a similar manner, Bangaram, for gas B, now we are writing our kinetic gas equation. P into V is equal to 1/3 MB NB UV square. Say this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, since PV terms are same, 1/3 MA NA UA square is equal to 1/3 MB NB UV square. Say this equation 1 2 తర్వాత అదే కదా. ఒక్కొక్కసారి బాగా చదివిసినప్పుడు నేను చెప్పలేమన్నాను తెలుసా, మీరు ఇంకా స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి చెప్తున్నారు. Good. Now, so this is one condition we brought here. And the most important step while we prove Avogadro's law is somewhat difficult this is when compared to the rest of all things. Okay. We choose temperature is constant. Are you agree with me? In my last class we were talking about the postulate of kinetic molecular theory of gases. Average kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Bangara being one thing, if temperature is constant, no doubt at all, two gases are having same average kinetic energy. We are ready to write for one molecule. ఒక molecule కి రాద్దాం kinetic energy. ఏమవుతుంది అన్న kinetic energy? Come on. Of MA into UA square is equal to, come on now, half MB into UV square. Because kinetic energy is same, because temperature is same. Are you got it? Say this is equation 4. Would you please write equation 3/4? Enna? Please. 1/3 MA NA UA square by 1/2 MA UA square. And this is 1/3 MB NB UV square by 1/2 MB UV square. And 1/2 cancel here. Okay, I'm sorry. 1/3 cancel, 1/2 cancel. And last class one person asks me suddenly, hey, how can you cancel 1/3 and 1/2? Come on. Oh my God. Yeah. How it is possible even for me? Okay. Keep in mind, 1/3 cancel and 1/2 cancel. How 1/3 and 1/2? Okay, that doesn't make sense. Okay. MA UA square MB UV square UV square. Are you got it? Then what formula we get, man? MA is equal to hence Avogadro's law is Bangaram అర్థమైందా నాన్న? The taken condition is equal volume of gases and we are ready to prove equal number of moles. Hence Avogadro's law is very good notes. ఇది మళ్ళీ నేను మిమ్మల్ని స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ కూడా చదివించాను, ఇది నోట్స్లోనే చదవాలి, అందుకనే మీరు కొద్దిగా నోట్సే బాగా రాయాలి. మళ్ళీ వాడు రకరకాల ప్రాసెస్లో ఇస్తాడు స్టడీ మెటీరియల్స్లో, మన వల్ల అవుతుంది చదవడం కూడా. ప్రతి లా కింద మనం ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పాలి. హెన్స్ డాల్టన్స్ లా ఈస్ ప్రూవ్డ్, హెన్స్ Avogadro's law is proved, hence where it is Graham's law is proved. అలా స్టార్టింగ్ కాదు, లాస్ట్లో స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్. ఓకేనా ఇది ఓకేనా ఇది అందరూ రాసారా మధ్యలో జాగ్రత్తగా గ్యాప్ చేసి రాయండి ఇలా ఇది కూడా రాస్తారు మనకి ప్లేస్ లేక నేను కంజెస్ట్గా రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది నెక్స్ట్ వన్ derive an expression for kinetic energy of a gas. సాధారణంగా నేను డెరివేషన్స్ లో దీన్ని KE తో చూపిస్తాను మరి ఒకసారి ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో దాన్ని EK అంటారు ఓకేనా మరి అలాంటి టర్మ్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది EK ఒకసారి రిప్రజెంట్ మాట్లాడనా కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ నేను ఇక్కడ మాత్రం మీకు దాన్ని KE తోనే చూపిస్తాను సరే ఎలా సార్ డిరైవ్ చేయడం బంగారం ఎలా ఉంది the derivation of kinetic energy is also one of the 4 marks question by using once again kinetic gas equation okay and we are ready to write here once again kinetic gas equation what it is bangara PV is equal to 1/3 mn once again multiplied and divided with 2 nana PV is equal to 2/3 into 1/2 mn cubed bangara this is PV once again this is 2/3 nana of capital M cubed this is PV nana this is 2/3 bangara of m u square why not we are ready to write kinetic energy of a gas yes sir and the thing is very clear here what is kinetic energy of a gas man simply 3/2 into PV if the problem is in the data in terms of pressure and volume no sir the problem is in the form of data number of moles and temperature then what we do sir okay now we consider Mr. ideal gas equation which is always ready here okay now what is ideal gas equation man PV is equal to so instead of PV we are ready to substitute nRT formula becomes 3/2 nRT this is an expression for kinetic energy for n moles of a gas keep in mind and this is a 4 marks question man derive an expression for kinetic energy of a gas by using kinetic gas equation and there is ultimate derivation kinetic energy is equal to 3/2 nRT and we know each and every term involved in that one where n is number of moles of gas where T is absolute temperature and R is gas constant universal gas constant while we answering that questions belongs to kinetic energy we are always careful to remember values of R in different units being an energy no need to substitute 0.0821 because we never measured energy in liter atmosphere stupid chemistry doesn't make sense so we always keep R value in joules 8.314 in ergs 8.314 into 10 power 7 in calories almost 2 I remember 1.987 something okay now but I'm not go for problems today I'm coming to one more expression in objective point of view bangara this is kinetic energy for n moles of gas but my intention is kinetic energy for 1 mole of gas keep in mind 1 mole of gas came out on this kinetic energy bangara for 1 mole of gas kinetic energy is equal to 3/2 R into T because for 1 mole means n becomes 1 okay na ikkada bracket lo radda bangaram since n is equal to 1 okay na and now complicated arises here okay what about kinetic energy for one gas molecule oh my god now complicated zone this is oka mole ki kaadu ఇప్పుడు oka molecule okay na sir oka molecule ki elaga to answer this particular one first of all we have a clarity on that one 1 mole of gas contains how many number of molecules you got no number of molecules means Na number of molecules what is Na you got 2 number Are you remember this one? Avogadro's number, which value is 6.03 into 10 power 23. ఓకేనా? అరే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ రాసిన కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ 1 మోల్ గ్యాస్ అంటే అర్థం ఇన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ యొక్క కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ అని. అరే కానీ ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పాల్సింది వాడికి ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ యొక్క కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ. ఓకేనా? అరే ఇన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ యొక్క కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ బంగారం కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్ NA నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ యొక్క కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంత బంగారం ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో అది 3/2 RT అయితే చిరాకు వచ్చి ఒక మాలిక్యూల్కి ఎంత, ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఎంత. డెరివేషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కాంప్లికేటెడ్ కాకూడదు, ఎందుకంటే మన ఫార్ములా మర్చిపోతే ఎట్లయినా మన డెరివేషన్లో ఫార్ములా మర్చిపోతే తిరిగి మళ్ళీ మనం డెరైవ్ చేసుకునే పరిస్థితి ఉండాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏమవుతుందో చూడు ఇప్పుడు మరి కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఫర్ 1 మాలిక్యూల్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ 3/2 R into T by not always absolute 6.023 into 10 power 23 is enough to representing NA means R by NA. Is that got it? This is what sort? This is kinetic energy for what man? 1 mole. Not for 1 mole, 1 molecule. And here students, we are always careful to look at that ratio R by NA. Are you look at that ratio, Nana? R by NA. So simply, what is kinetic energy for 1 molecule of a gas, or simply this is 3/2 into K into T. What is K, sir? And here this is an objective side. Students, here K is simply called Boltzmann constant. Okay, now, hey, would you please define Boltzmann?